Howdy everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to install a carpet seam binder. For this job we will be using a hammer, our seam binder, and nails. A lot of times they provide this with the seam binder. If not, you can pick it up at any hardware store or home improvement store. Most commonly the seam binder is to transition from one carpet to another, or from hardwood to carpet in a doorway, something like that. So what we'll do is we'll take and we'll evenly space the binder on both pieces of carpet, and then starting in the middle, I'll put my first nail into place. And before I drive it all the way down, you see it's a little loose here. I like to do that because I can kind of make sure that it's right where I want it, nice and straight. And then I'll put another one in it. That way it keeps it from moving. Then after you have it to where it's nice and in the right place, you can go ahead and finish driving your nails. And then you'll nail all the way across there until all your holes are filled. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about how to install a carpet seam binder. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck with this project.